She was born by the sea, her father bounced her on his knee, while he shared past stories of grandeur that would dance inside her head every night while tucked in bed. Same tales, different actor. There were costumes on the floor, she'd use a wooden stick and board to vanquish the foes that were after. All them stuffed up toys that were sticking round by choice. They were family in this together. Well, she grew like a tree, she sought a bonny company with the finest crew you could ask for. They were brave and sturdy lads that reminded her of Dad. Back to back, birds of a feather. Heidi-o, a voice for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather.
With a scaled down graph, her husband did the math on a course to have the advantage. Cause the British, they were smart, but they didn't have the heart of our strong Irish companions. They can write shoddy laws and try to buy her off, but they'll never own what we have here. A solidarity within familiar seas, cause we are one in the thousands. Heidi-o, voyage for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather. Heidi-o, voyage for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather.
Defended her name as the cannon shots and flames tried to deter what she is after. And although she lost her love, she's never given up to these tyrant, dirty old bastards. We would charge as a pack, you can never hold us back. We are fierce and grew in each battle, cause it's etched inside our veins, the hardships that we've gained. We've become a myth unraveled.
Heidi-o, forge for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather. Heidi-o, forge for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather.
Those final days in the castle she had claimed, she drew the sword that had brought her through countless victories that she survived to see in the tale of her own grandeur.
Heidi-o, forge for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather. Heidi-o, forge for the soul. Back to back, birds of a feather. Back to back, birds of a feather.